Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we have something utterly spectacular for you. We're taking a look at Northwood Lodge, a beautiful 3-bedroom family home tucked away within a beautiful secluded quarter-of-an-acre plot here. We've got these absolutely stunning gardens here to the front and to the back, and to the front here you can see you've got an arrangement of vegetable beds and flower beds with of course a beautiful little side garden on the left hand side of the property. Now you've also got plenty of parking at the front here, and you've got the carport on the right hand side, which does lead you down the side of the property and into the back garden. Now there is a huge amount of history and a beautiful level of grandeur here that really has been not been seen in any particular property that I've been in the last few months and perhaps years. So this property really does offer it all. It's absolutely stunning throughout, and we're going to go straight into the first reception room on the right hand side here. So coming through into the first of the two main reception spaces on the ground floor here at Northwood Lodge, a beautiful lounge area, huge amounts of light coming in through the front and the rear with that east to west facing front to back. You've got the open fireplace here as well, beautiful flooring, the floorboards there brought back to life by the current owner, and the whole property itself really has been brought back to life by the current owner. Coming through into the second of the reception spaces, and this is an incredible room, such a dramatic space to be working with here. Beautiful exposed wood beams there on the ceiling, beautiful wood flooring, and then of course all of that natural light flooding through into this gorgeous dual aspect room. Window there on the right hand side now, just overlooking that side garden, and you can see ahead of us there we've got the pull down projector screen with the projector up top as well. Beautiful views out across to the front gardens here. We're going to head into the kitchen dining space now and take a look at exactly what we've got there. Now this space is absolutely stunning. You've got lots and lots of light coming in through the rear there from the double French doors, and the kitchen itself is absolutely gorgeous. A real cozy space to enjoy with friends and family. This is the perfect space for entertaining, and certainly in the summertime when you've got those double set of French doors open, it's an amazing space to enjoy. So I'll leave you for a few moments to take this space in. We're going to head through into the garden room there at the side, then we'll just carry on, take a look at the utility space and WC, and of course we do have the plant room with the pressurized water tank in it as well, and then we'll head upstairs and take a look at 3 beautiful bedrooms and a stunning family bathroom. So here we are upstairs at Northwood Lodge. Little glance there at the main family bathroom and down to bedroom at number 3, but we're going to head along the landing here and take a right hand turn up the steps and into the main bedroom at number 1, and this is an amazing space. You've got the open ensuite here You've got a beautiful wood-burning stove as well, Velux windows on the east side, letting all of that natural light flood through from the front, and then more light from the back as well. So it really does give you that stylish loft feel here in the main bedroom. Again, extremely stylish room. Plenty of space to be working with, and a beautiful double-sized room at that, with plenty of space not only for the huge bed there, but for plenty of storage as well. So this truly is a beautiful master suite. Now we're going to head back through the room and across the hallway and into bedroom number 2 next. Heading through now into bedroom number 2, a beautiful palatial sized room here, again with the open fireplace, light to the right hand side bursting through the windows as well, east facing, just overlooking the front gardens and driveway here. A beautiful bedroom number 2 with your in and out access there from both sides of the bed. So again, a really beautiful, quite dramatic room. Coming out onto the landing again, we're just going to go through to the end and go through and take a look at bedroom number 3 and the main family bathroom. So just heading along here, straight ahead of us there, we've got the main family bathroom. Beautiful space here with the open shower unit on the right hand side, and then of course straight ahead of us we've got that beautiful roll top bath as well. A perfect space for enjoying and relaxing and unwinding after a very long day. Beautiful window there, again, just with all of that natural light flooding through, and again, the wonderful view across into the back garden, which we'll go through and take a look at a little bit later on in the tour. The back garden itself does come with gated rear access, as well as the shed and the guest cabin as well. So heading through into the last of the 3 main double bedrooms here in the property itself, Northwood Lodge. Again, a beautiful double-sized room. Again, plenty of space in here, not only for the double bed, but for plenty of storage as well. Again, huge amounts of light coming through from the west there, and then of course the Velux window letting all of that natural light through from the side. So we're going to head into the back garden and see what we've got there. So I've left you just for a few quick moments here in the back garden at Northwood Lodge, and it'll give us a good chance now as we look at the cabin just to recap a few points on this property before we end today's video tour. So this is Northwood Lodge, a beautifully restored period residence tucked away within a secluded 1/4 acre plot here. We've got 3 superb double bedrooms and that spectacular master suite with the lounge area and ensuite. The property has been entirely sympathetically and stylishly refurbished by the current owner to create an amazing space. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.